Hey guys, I have a quick, easy maple cornbread recipe for you today. Just grabbing a bowl, and it's super easy to whip together and the most moist that I've ever had. So starting out with 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and just putting that right in, and we need a cup of cornmeal. I just used the finer cornmeal there. So basically it's dry ingredients in one bowl, wet ingredients in another bowl, and then we put them together. All right, then I've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's our leavener to get that nice and puffy. By the way, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit while we're doing all of this. And grease a 9-inch square baking dish. Just whisking all those ingredients together, and I missed my teaspoon of salt there. I use kosher salt. Now for the wet ingredients, I'm going to have put in 3 tablespoons of melted butter, or I guess that's 2 tablespoons. And then we need our egg. I've got my blue egg from my chicken. Putting that in there. All right, then we have our milk. That's 3/4 cup of milk. Just use whatever you have, even half and half or something like that. Even buttermilk. And then we have maple syrup, a 1/2 cup of that. And that is our sugar, as well as it just gives a great maple flavor and a lot of moisture. Check out the recipe card at my blog at cynthiamaynard.com, and that will have the correct ingredients in case I misspoke on the video, but check that out, and the links in the description below as well. And a like and subscribe would be great. So we're going to get that all whisked together. It's super tasty, and it's great to take along to a potluck or, like I said, a quick side dish to your meal. Goes with a lot of things. I know this isn't very southern because it's kind of sweet, but I like the sweet. All right, given that a good whisk, we are gonna go ahead and just combine those. Now you don't want to over stir, so just take a wooden spoon and just stir it until everything's moist. So we don't want to make it tough. So just a quick stir. Just so you no longer see any dry flour and cornmeal. All right. I think I've got it there. Get it in that dish. And just spraying that with my oil sprayer. I love this oil sprayer. And I got that at Amazon. If I can remember to do it, I'll leave a link for that. So just scraping that all in there and smoothing it out. Getting it into the corners. Waste not, want not. And then we're going to pop it into that oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Mine's more toward the 15 mark, but every oven is different. So just kind of eyeball it and see, because you don't want it to overbake. You can stick a toothpick in the middle and see if crumbs come out. And there it is. Thanks guys so much. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.